Hi guys, so today's question is is of easy complexity, that is pass the pillow. So you have need to pass the 68 test cases. So let me take to the problem statement, sorry. So there is n people standing in line labeled from 1 to n. Okay, so there is a one line where there is people which is lined up to 1 to n. The first person in the line is holding a pillow initially. Okay, the first person is holding the pillow. Every second person holding the pillow passes away to the next person. So you have seen the scene of the last part of the welcome movie in the first part of the welcome in the last that it, and this is a game also that you have to pass the pillow to every other people standing in the queue. That's the same concept used here. So you need to pass to the next person in the line. Once the pillow reaches to the end of the line, the direction changes. Okay, once the last nth people holds the pillow, then he has to reverse it to the next person, that is the n minus one person, provided he has the time available, and the people continue to pass the pillow in the opposite direction. For example, once the pillow reaches to the nth people, suppose the pillow reaches to the fourth people, then they pass to the n minus one people, that is the third people standing here, and the person then, and this will go on, that the first person will pass to the second and then the nth person, and once it reaches to the nth person, it will again go to the uh, first person, like this. Like if there's n is given 4, then suppose there is 4 people, so pillow is first here, then it will be passed to here, then here, then here. If time is still remaining, then he will pass the pillow in the opposite direction, and if time is still remaining and this will continue, then he will pass, and if nth reaches, then in opposite direction, provided he has the time. And in every step, like if one passes to 2, 1 second reduces. You have given also time 5 seconds. Given two positive integer n and time, return the index of the person that is holding the pillow after n seconds. That after time seconds. Okay. So like n is equal to 4 and time is 5. Okay. So what will be the answer? So going from 1 to 2, 1 second is consumed. Going from 2 to 3, again 1 second is consumed. Going to 3 and 4, 1 second is consumed. So out of 5, 3 seconds has been consumed. So the remaining second is 2. Okay. And going to 4 to 3. 4 to 3, again 1 second is consumed, and 3 to 2, again 1 second is consumed. Now there is no more uh, pillow, time remaining, so the answer is 2. The last person holding the pillow is 2. So let me take to the answer. So I've given a while loop and given it a name outer while time is greater than 0. I've started with 2. Initially it will start with 1 to n, but I have started with 2 because I assume that first person has already passed the pillow and the time will start decreasing. If time is equal to 0, then this is the person. If time no more time is remaining, then this is the person which is holding the pillow. I will come out of the while loop, but it will continue in this example, that n1 2 3 4 and 2 seconds is still remaining, so this loop will be exhausted, then it will come to the reverse loop, then the fourth person will pass to the third person, already it has passed, and time will reduce again, time minus minus, and it will continue two times because 2 seconds is remaining. After 2 seconds, the second person, the time will become 0, and the second person, that is the ith position, will be the answer, and you will break the while loop and return the answer. So you have to pass 68 test cases. This is a simple example. More test cases will come in your way, which you need